Talking about weather? It's sunny and warm today. It's sunny and warm today. I always carry an umbrella in spring. I always carry an umbrella in spring. The wind is very strong this afternoon. The wind is very strong this afternoon. Winters here are long and cold. Winters here are long and cold. I love walking in the rain. I love walking in the rain. It's supposed to snow tomorrow morning. It's supposed to snow tomorrow morning. Summer is my favorite season. Summer is my favorite season. The sky is cloudy, but it hasn't rained yet. The sky is cloudy, but it hasn't rained yet. Temperatures often drop below zero in January. Temperatures often drop below zero in January. We had a thunderstorm last night. We had a thunderstorm last night. It's very humid today, and I'm sweating a lot. It's very humid today, and I'm sweating a lot. I check the weather forecast every morning. I check the weather forecast every morning. The fog is so thick I can't see the road. The fog is so thick I can't see the road. Autumn leaves are beautiful in this park. Autumn leaves are beautiful in this park. It's too hot to go outside this afternoon. It's too hot to go outside this afternoon. We had hailstones the size of golf balls. We had hailstones the size of golf balls. I like drinking tea on cold, rainy days. I like drinking tea on cold, rainy days. The sun rises earlier in summer. The sun rises earlier in summer. I wore a jacket because it was chilly. I wore a jacket because it was chilly. The air feels fresh after it rains. The air feels fresh after it rains. The weather changes quickly in the mountains. The weather changes quickly in the mountains. There's a light breeze coming from the west. There's a light breeze coming from the west. It was freezing this morning when I left home. It was freezing this morning when I left home. Spring flowers are starting to bloom. Spring flowers are starting to bloom. I heard thunder while I was trying to sleep. I heard thunder while I was trying to sleep. We stayed indoors because of the heat wave. We stayed indoors because of the heat wave. The snow made everything look magical. The snow made everything look magical. I opened the window to let in some fresh air. I opened the window to let in some fresh air. The sunset was beautiful after the storm. The sunset was beautiful after the storm. I love the smell of the air before it rains. I love the smell of the air before it rains. The roads are slippery after the rain. The roads are slippery after the rain. It gets dark early in the winter months. It gets dark early in the winter months. My clothes dried quickly in the sun. My clothes dried quickly in the sun. I watched the lightning from my balcony. I watched the lightning from my balcony. Spring is a great time to plant flowers. Spring is a great time to plant flowers. I forgot my sunglasses on this bright day. I forgot my sunglasses on this bright day. There's a chance of rain later this evening. There's a chance of rain later this evening. I stayed home because it was stormy outside. I stayed home because it was stormy outside. The weather app says it will be cooler tomorrow. The weather app says it will be cooler tomorrow. I enjoy sitting outside when the weather is mild. I enjoy sitting outside when the weather is mild. We had to cancel the picnic because of the rain. We had to cancel the picnic because of the rain. It was so windy that my hat flew away. It was so windy that my hat flew away. The snow covered everything overnight. The snow covered everything overnight. I wore layers to stay warm in the cold. I wore layers to stay warm in the cold. It's the perfect day for a walk in the park. It's the perfect day for a walk in the park. The air feels dry today. I need some water. The air feels dry today. I need some water. I love the sound of rain on the window. I love the sound of rain on the window. The temperature dropped suddenly last night. The temperature dropped suddenly last night. I can hear birds singing in the spring air. I can hear birds singing in the spring air. It's been raining for 3 days straight. It's been raining for 3 days straight. We saw a rainbow after the storm. We saw a rainbow after the storm. I keep a jacket in my car just in case. I keep a jacket in my car just in case. The sky turned dark before the rain started. The sky turned dark before the rain started. My shoes got soaked in the puddles. My shoes got soaked in the puddles. It's a great day to go swimming. It's a great day to go swimming. The snow is starting to melt. The snow is starting to melt. I heard the weather will improve tomorrow. I heard the weather will improve tomorrow. It's too cold to leave the window open. It's too cold to leave the window open. The clouds look like they're full of rain. The clouds look like they're full of rain. I enjoy watching the snowfall from my window. I enjoy watching the snowfall from my window. We turned on the fan because it was so hot. We turned on the fan because it was so hot. I wore gloves and a scarf this morning. I wore gloves and a scarf this morning. The weather was perfect for a bike ride. The weather was perfect for a bike ride. There's frost on the grass today. There's frost on the grass today. I couldn't sleep because of the thunder. I couldn't sleep because of the thunder. We had to shovel snow from the driveway. We had to shovel snow from the driveway. The sun came out after a long, cloudy day. The sun came out after a long, cloudy day. I always get sleepy on rainy afternoons. I always get sleepy on rainy afternoons. It was warm during the day, but cold at night. It was warm during the day, but cold at night. The sky was full of stars last night. The sky was full of stars last night. I like to read a book when it's raining. I like to read a book when it's raining. The weather is perfect for a barbecue. The weather is perfect for a barbecue. I checked the temperature before going out. I checked the temperature before going out. The rain made the street smell fresh. The rain made the street smell fresh. I closed the windows before the storm hit. I closed the windows before the storm hit. The wind knocked over the trash cans. The wind knocked over the trash cans. It's snowing heavily in the mountains. It's snowing heavily in the mountains. I wore boots because it was muddy. I wore boots because it was muddy. The sun feels strong even in the morning. The sun feels strong even in the morning. The fog made driving difficult today. The fog made driving difficult today. We stayed inside because of the heavy rain. We stayed inside because of the heavy rain. I love taking photos of snowy landscapes. I love taking photos of snowy landscapes. The temperature rose quickly after sunrise. The temperature rose quickly after sunrise. There was ice on my windshield this morning. There was ice on my windshield this morning. The summer heat makes me feel tired. The summer heat makes me feel tired. The sky looks beautiful during sunset. The sky looks beautiful during sunset. I brought a raincoat just in case. I brought a raincoat just in case. There's a weather warning for strong winds. There's a weather warning for strong winds. The trees are bare in the winter. The trees are bare in the winter. It's cool and pleasant this evening. It's cool and pleasant this evening. I enjoy the crisp air in the fall. I enjoy the crisp air in the fall. We open the windows to let the breeze in. We open the windows to let the breeze in. The heat wave is expected to last all week. The heat wave is expected to last all week. The streetlights reflected off the wet pavement. The streetlights reflected off the wet pavement. I like watching the clouds move across the sky. I like watching the clouds move across the sky. It's a chilly morning and perfect for coffee. It's a chilly morning and perfect for coffee. My umbrella broke in the wind. My umbrella broke in the wind. It feels like spring already. It feels like spring already. The weather changes a lot in April. The weather changes a lot in April. I always wear sunscreen, even on cloudy days. I always wear sunscreen, even on cloudy days. Which sentence is in the present continuous tense? A. It rains today. B. It is raining now. C. It rained now. D. It raining today. Choose the sentence using going to correctly. A. It going to snow tomorrow. B. It is going snow tomorrow. C. It's going to snow tomorrow. D. It goes to snow tomorrow. Which is the correct way to express a habit? A. It usually rains in April. B. It raining usually in April. C. It rains usually in April. D. It is usually rain in April. What's the correct past tense sentence? A. It rained yesterday. B. It rained yesterday. C. It rains yesterday. D. It raining yesterday. Choose the correct weather-related question. A. Is cold today? B. Do it rain? C. What's the weather like today? D. What weather it is today?